The Ministry of Health, through its Environmental Health Department and Health Promotion Unit, hosted a vibrant school exhibition at Spiceland Mall. Students from across Grenada transformed Spiceland Mall into a live science lab, displaying colorful, detailed models of bacteria, parasites, viruses, and other microorganisms that pose serious risks to food safety. The initiative, led by the Environmental Health Department of the Ministry of Health in collaboration with the Health Promotion Unit, was staged in recognition of World Food Safety Day, observed globally on June 7th. The students were not just presenting science, they were sharing vital public health information to create greater awareness. They've been trained to explain symptoms of foodborne illnesses, how these pathogens spread, and how they can be prevented in kitchens, schools, and food businesses. GBN spoke with Denique Renee, an environmental health officer.
Today it's actually the exhibition that we are having here, leading up to other activities that we already had starting from Monday. So we collaborated with different schools so that they can create different microbes, models of different microbes, so that they can educate the public on the habits, the preventative measures, and what they actually are and what they do to us, our systems, symptoms, and different things. So today is just a joy to have them here in the open, educating passerbys, and just creating awareness when it comes to food safety.
Each school came prepared with a focus, from salmonella to norovirus, from hand hygiene to safe food handling practices.
Basically, the project is about salmonella, which is bacteria that causes salmonellosis, which is one of the leading causes of people going to the hospital, like over the world. It also causes the US billions of dollars in healthcare over the years. And we're just here to spread information on how to prevent and to how to do stuff against salmonella.
We have Staphylococcus aureus. That's a bacteria what could cause foodborne illness. Yeah. It's commonly found in the skin and in your nose.
And some ways to prevent it is wash your hands with soap and water before handling food and after the bathroom. And you can't leave out food for too long or the bacteria will start to reproduce on it. Another one is to make sure you have good hygiene and make sure whoever's making the food wash their hands properly so that when they touch your food, the bacteria don't transfer from their hand to your food. And if it gets in your body, if you ingest it, it could cause nausea, vomiting, stomach cramps, diarrhea, and all this happens from 30 minutes to hours after consumption. Some other ways to prevent it is proper cooking. Cook poultry, meat, and eggs to an internal temperature that is sufficient to kill harmful bacteria.
And this here is a Tannian solium, also known as a tapeworm. It lives in the meat of the pig, and when you eat undercooked pork, the eggs get into your body. Then it turns into a larva tapeworm, which eats from the inside out of your body. There's symptoms of that. If there's a larva tapeworm inside your body, the symptoms will be you'll get headaches, you'll feel drowsy, your body will feel weak, and you'll start getting really, really small. You'll start to lose a lot of weight. Ways to prevent that: you cook your meat to a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius for at least 5 minutes.
Reporting for GBN News, Beverly Tellisford.